unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Error code 52030 on the Wii typically means a problem with your Wi-Fi settings. To fix it, 1. Go to Wii Settings, Internet, Connection Settings. 2. Select your connection and choose Change Settings. 3. Re-enter your Wi-Fi password. 4. Ensure your router is set to broadcast in 802.11 grams or 802.11b mode. 5. Double-check the router's security settings, WEP, WPA. Restart both your Wii and router to resolve connectivity issues.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.